Some dealers buy greenback for as low as 115 rupees, sell it for 126 rupees. Some dealers buy greenback for as low as 115 rupees, sell it for 126 rupees. Photo, Reuters Karachi. The open market was marred with confusion as frustrated buyers and sellers of currency remained clueless on the future course of rupee-dollar parity. Rife with rumors and reports of a massive inflow of dollars, dealers traded the two currencies with a spread as high as 13 rupees in the open market on Saturday, uncertain on what the interbank exchange rate would be on Monday. The dollar was being bought for as low as 113 rupees. In contrast, currency dealers were only willing to sell the U.S. currency for around 124 rupees minus 126. On Friday, the Express Tribune reported that China has agreed to lend $2 billion as an official bilateral inflow, a development that would ease pressure on Pakistan's foreign currency reserves and the rupee that has shed around 22% since December 2017. The rupee has recovered 0.5% in the ongoing week, closing at 127 rupees and 86 paise in the interbank market on Friday. However, on Saturday, and no interbank rate to go on, currency dealers were trading on speculation that the interbank rate would see some movement in favor of the rupee. China agrees to give $2 billion loan to Pakistan. The panic widened the spread between the buying and selling rates, and marks one of the rare occasions when the open market rates were lower than the interbanks. A brief survey suggested currency dealers were buying dollars in the range of 113 rupees minus 122 and selling in the 115 rupees minus 126 bracket. A leading currency exchange also reported to have suspended trading 3 to 4 hours before the official closing time. On Friday, the dollar closed at 126 rupees and 127 rupees, respectively, in the open market. We are selling the dollar at 126 rupees, and buying it at 115 rupees, a Karachi-based currency dealer said, adding he has a high supply of dollars bought at a comparatively higher rate. He said the low buying rate was based on expectation that the dollar would lose some of its strength on Monday. One can expect the rupee appreciate against the dollar in the interbank market on Monday, State Bank of Pakistan (SBP) spokesman Abid Kamar told the Express Tribune on Saturday. Rupee appreciates against U.S. dollar in open and interbank markets. However, the actual exchange rate, rupee-dollar parity, would be known on Monday. National Bank of Pakistan (NBP) President and CEO Saeed Ahmad said he expects the dollar to weaken in interbank. The rupee may settle at around 125 rupees to the US dollar, after China pledged to immediately provide $2 billion to Pakistan. Friendly countries are expected to give around $4 billion, he said, adding the increase in supply should strengthen the rupee. The country's foreign currency reserves have dropped to an alarming level, amounting to $9 billion in the previous week. The interbank market gives direction to open market dealers regarding currency prices. However, in rare cases, currency dealers tend to lead the way, especially when there is speculation involved. I cannot give you a concrete quotable price at which the dollar traded during the day, as currency dealers sold and purchased dollars at a variety of rates, said Pakistan Forex Association President Malik Boston. But on record, he said the association quoted closing buying and selling prices at 124 rupees and 126 rupees, respectively. There were hardly 1% buyers, and 99% sellers in the open market on Saturday, he said. A currency dealer at the Dollar East Exchange Company said they ended trading after the first half. For PTI, walk on tightrope ahead, suggests Moody's, there is no supply and no demand for dollars. We ended the trades in the first half, offering a buying price of 121 rupees. We have major foreign currencies in adequate amounts to sell, but we have run out of cash in rupee terms, as there were absolutely no buyers. All walk-in customers were sellers. He hoped the situation would go back to normal on Monday, as the resumption in interbank market would give a clear direction to currency dealers. The SBP spokesman said that the central bank has issued clear directives to currency dealers to completely halt the physical movement of dollars among cities and only move them through proper banking channels. This, he said, could be a reason behind the dollar plunge. The directives came into effect on Tuesday, July 24. Many dealers move dollars in physical form via air and toll roads traveling from head offices to branch offices nationwide. Read more, latest, open market, rupee, dollar.